Hey everybody, welcome. Today we're going to check out Maniology's Box of Night. This is a spoiler. Spoiler alert. If you don't want to see what's in the box and you want to just buy it, follow the link up here in the corner and use GuyleneXNR and save 10%. Or stay tuned. I'm also going to do a giveaway. They sent me this box and I have bought a box to give away. There is a special gift for the first 200 people to purchase. I don't think it's going to sell out right away. I think you have a few days because they are a little prepared. But I am going to do a little something different for the giveaway, so stay tuned and find out what that is. Now, I have not had very much time with this. I just got it, and usually I have about 3 or 4 weeks to play around, use all the plates, do different nail designs. That is not the case this time because one thing in this box they were waiting on. So I just got this and let's open it and see what's inside. Love you to death. Till death do us part. All right, let's get started with me not being able to read, or, well, like my brain, I can read it, but it doesn't come through my mouth the way it should. In twilight's gleam, a figure draws near. Mysterious, alluring, he whispers in your ear. Come to my castle where wonders reside. I'll shower you with gifts, with me as your guide. Sexy. All right, day 1. Through the castle gates, iron spears sprawl, the blood-red moon with magnetic draw. Shapes of elegance in the twilight's gleam, a touch of enchantment, like a vivid dream. All right, let's get this open. Oh, this paper is so cute. And day 1 is, some press-ons that are beautiful red magnetic. Ooh, those are so pretty. Beautiful. And there are different sizes back here, and a file and glue. Oh, and an orange wood stick, prep. Oh, there's also stickers if you'd rather use stickers than glue to put them on with. Coffin press-on nails are exclusive. Next up, number 2. As moonlight dances on the castle's domain, winged shadows take flight in an elegant chain. Mystical creatures in nocturnal spree, dark silhouettes, wild and free. And number 2 is a stamping plate, Gothic. Ooh, I think I'm going to love this one. This is going to be so cool. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at all the bats. And they are layered. You can layer these. You could use those as French tips. Oh, Batman. Oh, so you can layer all these. Oh, so cute. Hello. Day 3. On this night of magic, colors unfold across this sparkling lake with hints of gold. Mysterious waters, sparkling so bright, reflecting the moon's gentle light. And 3 is a stamping polish. Look at the packaging. It's so cute. Ooh, it's a dual chrome. A gorgeous Moonwake B528. Ooh, that is beautiful. Number 4. Led through a garden where shadows play, ethereal scenes on a solemn gray, souls of the past, secrets untold, a sorrow of laughter in times of old. And day 4 is also another stamping plate. I believe there's 6 plates in this one, which is awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks so pretty with that red magnetic. Oh, I love this. Ooh, Gothic crosses, all the coffins. Again, you can layer. Oh, and you can do like background and then put like a tombstone in there. Oh, I love that church. That is so cool. Love you to death. These are beautiful. Day 5. Enter the castle with libation to sip, a regal hue potion pressed to your lips. With eyes so deep, shimmering in delight, he watches you drink a spell on this night. And 5 is another stamping polish. Oh, another duochrome with gold shimmer. Ooh, a really dark, beautiful purple. Shadow Veil. B526. These are not exclusive. You will be able to purchase the polishes. If you can't buy the box and you want to buy just a few things, you absolutely can do that. But they sold out of these. You can't get these from last year. So, and I've been warning you for months to save your money that this was coming. So I don't want to hear in the comments, oh, it's so soon. I didn't know it was so soon. Yeah, you did. Day 6. Under arches of elegance and spiderweb's grace, wallpaper torn in delicate grace, a tour of the estate with Gothic flair, enchanted decor, and nothing to compare. I love the little book. Another plate. Oh, if you don't have enough Halloween plates after this. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Again, kind of French tips. Oh, so pretty. Oh, you know, yeah, I have the perfect mani on. Some black lace on that. That's so pretty. And the blood dripping. And the spot. Oh, I love this. And it also has wider one. It has 2 of each. So depending on how small your nail is, different sizes. That's awesome. Another beautiful plate. I mean, so far I haven't seen anything gross, which is generally, I don't like the gross. So these are all beautiful. Day 7, a regal study, tomes kept dear, organized beauty with nothing to fear, their spines neatly lined around the fireplace, stored with care in a cozy embrace. I think I know what that will be. Oh yeah, this is exclusive to the box. And you know what it is? It is a plate holder. Again, in this beautiful paper. Oh my gosh. You're gonna die. Go do it. Go buy it now. Go buy it now. I think this year, are they, like, they usually have like an extra prize, an extra something. The first 200 people that purchase get something extra. Which a lot of you, I think, have already purchased it if you're going to, because you don't care what's in it, you want it. Here is the plate holder. Look at it. Oh, it's gorgeous. And as always, this is going to hold 16 plates. There's 8 pages. And you could put 2 in each sheet. 16 plates. Oh my gosh. I want 4 of these. I've got so many Halloween plates. I need 4. It's exclusive though, you guys. This is exclusive to the box. Sorry, not. Well, I mean, that was kind of rude, Guylene. Yeah, maybe. Day 8. The castle reveals its darkened heart, eerie faces, and antique works of art. Shadowy scenes, a hunting sight to see. The paintings whisper that you must flee. And day 8 is another plate. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Stop looking at me. Oh, I love this. Oh, the key. I love the key. And the little door knocker. Oh, that is so cute. It's got some moons and some little things that you could make different. You know, you could stamp something and put a moon at the top. Oh, absolutely adorable. Adorable. I need to get out of here so you can't see me. Day 9. With the stroke so bold taken by the hand, held in his arms your heart expands. Captivating, vibrant, yet eerily cold, lips shimmering with crimson gold. And day 9 is another stamping polish. And with that description, I am going to assume that it is red with a gold shimmer. And that is going to be gorgeous. This is the first time I'm looking at this stuff too. Yes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh man, I hope these stamp as well. I think they will. They will stamp amazing just by looking at the bottles. They're going to be pigmented and nice. Oh, that one's beautiful. Day 10. Antique patterns in a timeless display, adorning photographs of bygone day. Intricate designs with Gothic grace, capturing tales of a haunted place. Day 10 is also another stamping plate, and that description is right up my alley. Oh yeah. Look at that. I love these Gothic designs. Oh, it's got some roses too. But look at all the picture frames. You could do a little frame with a snake in the middle, or a moth, or I think that's a bee maybe. I don't know. Beautiful. Oh, I love that spider. That is so cool. I mean, I was afraid for this year, because it's like, how can you top what you've done in years past? And they probably already started on next year's now. And I'm going to warn you now, the Christmas one is going to be probably out in, I'm going to say October, so that everybody gets it in time for by November. So there's no, you know, waiting around to get your stuff. So be ready. If Halloween is not your thing and Christmas is, be ready for the Christmas box. Save up your money and buy yourself something. Or this could be your early Christmas present to yourself. Day 11. A romantic gift of roses so red, like blood on petals, elegantly spread. It scents so lovely, but it doesn't feel right to be dazzled by a stranger in the dead of night. Okay, that made me think of like cuticle oil, but it is not. It is an exclusive stamper. Ooh, and monocle too. Don't cut yourself, Guylene. Was it last year, year before last, I dropped my razor and cut my leg. Blood gushing everywhere. Ooh, pretty. It's kind of like matches the nails. Nice. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. What is it? Is it tinted? Yeah, it's kind of rose tinted. The stamper is. And that does pop off. So with it on, it's a little firmer. And then you can also pop it out and put it in the bottom. And it will be very firm. Or you can leave it out for a little softer, especially if your nails are really curved like mine are. Sometimes you need that. Beautiful. 12. Whisk into a ball, transformed with lace. Music fills the air in an intoxicating pace. Twirling through the room, candles aflame, you're lost in his eyes. A dangerous game. Day 12 is another stamping plate. Just so polish. Ooh, I was waiting for this. Love that. Oh, Lacy. Oh, I mean, this is beautiful. All these are just beautiful. Just lacy spider webs and moths. Oh, look at the spider webs with bats. This is gorgeous. Oh, and snake lace. Oh, and the lace with skulls. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And pumpkins. Oh, I don't know. I think this one's probably my favorite out of all of the stamping plates. 6 stamping plates. None of them I have anything like them. I have nothing like those. Day 13. His final gift with eyes aglow. Passion ignites in a fervent show. A vampire's kiss with lust delight. Pierced through the neck. A never-ending night. And this one is also exclusive because it is wrapped up in paper. And it is some powder. And don't spill it, Guylene. Oh, I don't know if you can see the sparkle in it. It is beautiful. Ooh. Wow. I am not seeing on my screen what I'm seeing in true life here. Oh, look at that. It just makes a red. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love it. I can't believe, I mean, that is buffing into my nail. Beautiful. Oh, I love that. Okay. I'm gonna have to try that over a black nail. That'll be gorgeous. Oh yeah. Yeah, that'll be gorgeous. Eternal darkness you now embrace with vampiric charm and timeless grace. Creatures of the night, the shadows that play, locked in the castle's halls, you'll forever stay. And then there's a mani that they did over that red, beautiful magnetic. And how to. And here's another one with the French tip and the bats. Really cute. And how to. The coffin press-on nails are exclusive. That little asterisk shows it's exclusive. Creatures of the Night stamping plate is also exclusive. Wow, okay. That plate's exclusive, sorry. Moonwake stamping polish is not. The Morning Mist stamping plate is not. Shadow Veil stamping polish is not. The Arced Elegance plate is not. Mini plate holder is exclusive. I'm sorry, I'm not. If you want it, you gotta buy the box. Dark Banner stamping plate is not. The Valentine stamping polish is not. The Gothic Grander nail stamping plate is not. The exclusive monocle stamper is exclusive. Oh, sorry. I thought it wasn't wrapped, so I just thought it wasn't. The Gothic Gala stamping plate is not. Bloodlust nail powder, that's hard to say, is. So, box exclusives. Oh, that is. So, the Creatures of the Night plate is exclusive. That's shocking. Care and use tips. How to use the powder. How to use the press-on nails. Oh, wow, look. Can swatch some. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll use this to swatch some. Alright guys, stay tuned if you want to see some swatches from these plates and how the polishes swatch. Alright, let's do a pretty quick fly through here. First we're up is these coffin press-on nails in the magnetic red. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love these. Creepy Casey's wearing them. They look great on her. And the plate, the first plate, this is exclusive. This is something new with them. I've never seen an exclusive plate in the box before. And this is the Creatures of the Night stamping plate. And we have the Moonwake, which is polish number 3. Well, the first one, I guess. Box number 3 for the stamping polish. And I kind of screwed up because, you know, stamping on paper is not real easy. And it didn't stick. That's totally my fault. But look at that shift to green, blue to green. Love this. This gets an A. I did use this and it did stamp beautifully. Here it is painted on the nails. I really love this painted on the nails. I think better than stamped. I mean, it looked both ways. It looked really good, but look at that beautiful, beautiful shift. And I also did a design on my nails from that plate. It's so cute. And I'm gonna zip right through here and do day 4 and 5 together. And the plate is Morning Mist B516. And the polish is Shadow Veil, which so reminds me of Violet Waves. This is the closest I've seen to Violet Waves, which you can only get in a group, like a collection of polishes. This is beautiful. It doesn't reflect as much as the Moonwake, but I'm still giving that, I'm gonna say an A- on that, because I mean, it's dark, it's not gonna stamp great over black anyway, but it is a beautiful, deep, dark purple color, and it does have a gold shift when you put it in the light and you paint it on your nails. Look at that shimmery shimmer. So pretty. And this plate is so nice. It has 2 different sized stamps of each image. So you, with smaller nails, I got teeny tiny nails. I'm also using the monocle stamper that is exclusive to this box. The tips are exclusive to this box. And Casey, hold your hand. Oh, she's the worst. Creepy Casey there. Thanks, Casey. Love the bats. The bats are adorable. And then next we have another exclusive. You know how I love these plate holders. Absolutely. I buy this box just for a plate holder. I want 5 of them. Hello. Get my face out of there. Here is the next plate, and it is Dark Manor. And it is just a Gothic dream. And the stamping polish is this beautiful red. Let me see if I can say it right. Valentine. Velvetine. But look, it looks kind of wine, like a wine red stamped over white. And I don't have my flash on. Turn your flash on. Boom. Look at that. That reflection is absolutely stunning. A+ with that polish. And you know, that one's still an A- because it doesn't really have a flash to it. This one does. So beautiful. And here I'm going to paint the nail with the red. I love this red. It is such a vampire red color with a gold shift. It is different than what's on Creepy Casey there. And different than, it's not a magnetic. And this plate we have Gothic Gala 513. Beautiful. Again, I think this polish that I'm stamping with, the silver I'm stamping with, is pewter. I love the roses. This lace is absolutely gorgeous. The skulls, the lace skulls. I love it all. And this powder, I did use over gel. This black nail does just have gel on it and a gel no wipe top coat. But it does give you instructions, and I've got videos that tell you how to stamp with this pigment powder and also how to use it on regular polish. But it is gorgeous. It's close to it. It's just not, doesn't have the magnetic shift. Okay, now for the giveaway, while we're finished watching this up, the giveaway, you are going to say enter that in the comments down below. You have to be from the United States. You have to be subscribed to me. You're going to put enter me, and you're going to tell me what specifically plate or polish or what in this box you're most excited about, what you love, the one item you love the most, to be entered in the giveaway. I will do a little video here in a couple of weeks when I receive the box that I bought to give away. So hit that bell so that you're notified when I post anything to my community tab or make a video, and enjoy a little fun video here at the end. This is the kitty playing. Little murder mittens. Bitey, shitty kitty.
doesn't.
No.
Not to her either. Her eyes.
You want some kitty kitty?
No, she does.
I'm just kidding.
She does not.
Sit down and birds.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.